This year we took an entirely new approach to wedding filmmaking, and here's what happened. We knew from the start it was going to take an incredible team to bring this vision to life. And we are so blessed to have amazing talent all around us. If it weren't for this community, this year would have been impossible.
The journey from the beginning of the year to the end of the year has honestly been something I would have never expected. I don't think any of us expected, but I'm honestly so happy. We're here where we are now, and looking forward, I'm super excited. So here's just a little bit of a story of how our year went from the team.
When I first started working with Hello Darling, it was definitely still in the beginning works. We had just gotten the studio and it was still very small, so it's just been so cool to see it develop into something so big. We've added so many more people, so many more roles, and just watching it grow from something so small into what it is today, where it feels like every time I come in, it's like I'm with a family. It just is really cool to see.
This year, Hello Darling moved into a brand new space, a beautiful new studio, and honestly, the culture there is something that I wouldn't trade for the world. Coming into the studio every day and being able to hang out with your friends and create these movies about people's love stories is probably the most fulfilling thing that I could imagine doing with your day.
The creative community in Milwaukee came together around this, and we were able to figure out a way for a lot of people to express themselves creatively, whether it's with shooting, editing, drone operating, even computer tech.
The Hello Darling experience is really about the quality of our work. And I see that in the couples that decide to go with us. It's about learning technique, it's about learning the editing process, and it's about making sure that you can provide a quality product for your customer. You don't want to rush things, you want to do it right, and that's one of the best things that I've learned this year.
Everybody is so uplifting, and the growth in that kind of industry as a team and as a company has been super great.
We've developed this magical ability to really dial in a couple's personality. When looking through the footage of your wedding, we get to see all the beautiful things that your parents, your grandparents, your bridesmaids, or your best man are saying about you. And it's so cool to put together a story from all these different perspectives and really create your special love story.
I love getting to just look back at your day and create a story that you're gonna watch for the rest of your life.
So many times after weddings, I hear brides say that the day just flew by. And one of my favorite things about creating these films is that we are able to give these couples a way to relive their day, basically.
Right before a wedding, I always get to watch love films to set my mood for a wedding day, to bring like shots that I never thought that I was gonna get on camera.
A lot of our weddings feature shots from drones. It adds a whole nother level of immersion for your film.
You learn that your job as a wedding filmmaker isn't necessarily just to make a wedding film. I mean, your job is partially to help make sure that their wedding day is as good as it can be.
'20 2021 has been such an insane year. We've made so much progress. We've told so many stories, and I've been able to meet so many cool people. I can't wait to keep that going in 2022, and I can only imagine what that holds.
Finally, we would love to thank all of our 2021 couples and even our 2020 couples that pushed to this year in 2021. We can't wait to see you guys thrive in your own lives together. Also, thank you so much for trusting our team's vision for filming your wedding day and just capturing those memories so you're able to enjoy them forever. We're truly grateful for you guys and for supporting our business.